In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Windows Update in Windows 11. First, press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. This action opens the Settings app. On your screen, you will see various options related to system settings. The Settings app is crucial for managing your device, so it is important to get familiar with it. You will notice a clean layout with different categories. The reason we need to access settings is that this is where you can enable Windows Update and ensure your system stays secure and up to date. Once the Settings app is open, look to the bottom of the left sidebar. Here, you will find the option labeled Windows Update. Click on it. This section is dedicated entirely to Windows Update, allowing you to manage your updates easily. You will see various options related to updates, including checking for updates and viewing update history. Selecting Windows Update is essential because it is the gateway to keeping your operating system protected with the latest features and security patches. Now, if your updates are paused, you will see a button at the top of the page that says Resume Updates. Click on this button. This action is critical because pausing updates can leave your system vulnerable to security threats. By resuming updates, you ensure that your device gets the latest protections and improvements. You might notice a brief loading animation, which indicates that the system is processing your request. This reassurance lets you know that you are on the right track to enabling updates. Next, click the Check for Updates button. This button is usually located in the center of the Windows Update page. By clicking it, you prompt your system to look for any available updates. This is a vital step, as it ensures you are downloading the most recent security patches and features. You will see the system scanning for updates, and it may take a moment to complete. Be patient during this process, as keeping your system updated is essential for optimal performance and security. After the check is complete, if any updates are available, they will be listed on your screen. You may see options to download and install these updates. This step is significant because it allows you to take immediate action on any critical updates that your system requires. When you see this list, you can choose to install updates right away or schedule them for later. This flexibility helps you manage your time effectively while ensuring your system remains secure. Once you have downloaded the updates, follow the on-screen prompts to install them. This installation process may require you to restart your device. This is a common requirement after updates are installed. It helps apply the changes effectively and ensures everything runs smoothly. You will receive a notification indicating that changes will take effect after the restart. This confirmation provides you with confidence that your updates are being properly applied. In summary, keeping your Windows 11 updated is crucial for security and performance. By following these steps, you can enable Windows Update and ensure your system remains protected. Regularly checking for updates is a good habit to develop. It helps maintain the health of your device. With these simple actions, you can enjoy a more secure and efficient computing experience. Thank you for watching and happy updating.